Everyone, welcome back to my channel Kajidataonline.com. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can interface your Arduino Uno with the Arduino sensor shield version 5 with the LCD and also using BMP180 temperature, pressure, altitude meter. Okay, so before we begin, let me explain about the connections of this setup. So first of all, we have this LCD 16 by 2 being attached with the I2C device that already been connected at our Arduino sensor shield. So if you're not sure what is the Arduino sensor shield, so please have a look with my previous video that I already explained about the function. And also the price are quite reasonable, so that we do not need to use any breadboard in our interfacing mechanism. Okay, so this is the Arduino compatible sensor BMP180. If you can see here, they have 4 connection that can be attached with the I2C. Let me just zoom a little bit so that you can have a clear picture of this idea. So they have a VIN for VCC 5 volt is also available for this sensor, but of course they got the regulator over there, so you can have the 5 volt from the Arduino, and then you can also attach with the ground, and then SCL and SDA are being attached to the A4 and A5 of the Arduino Uno. So for the SCL, I attach the SCL to the SCL of this Arduino sensor shield, and then for the SDA, I also attach with the Arduino sensor shield. But if you did not have this Arduino sensor shield, you can attach directly to your A4 and A5. Okay, remember the SDA will be interfaced with the A4, and then the SCL will be interfaced with the A5. Okay, similarly with the I2C for LCD, it is attached to the another A4 and A5 over here, because in the Arduino sensor shield they got the dedicated I2C and also this analog pin. So therefore I attach the ground, the VCC to the ground and VCC of this Arduino sensor shield, and then the SDA and SCL correspond to the A4 and A5. So remember again, SDA to the A4 and SCL to the A5. Okay, so as usual, the link with regard to the code and also the schematic diagram for this particular setup will be attached in the description of this video. Okay, so now let's jump into the coding part of this Arduino. So the first one, let me explain a little bit. You need to use the Arduino IDE, and then you can also call upon this Adafruit BMP085 library. So the way to do that is just go to the sketch and then include library and then manage libraries. So as default in our Arduino setup, we will have this library available at the Arduino IDE repository. So just type BMP180, and then there are Adafruit available BMP085 sketch that are compatible with the BMP180. Okay, let me just show to you how we are going to do that. So the first of all, go to the library manager, as you know, and then proceed with the searching of our BMP. I already searched it, but I just give you an idea. BMP180, just type BMP180, and then there are some lists available for you to upload it and also install inside your IDE. So in my case, I already installed it over here. We are going to use this Adafruit BMP085 because it is compatible for BMP180. So as default, this sketch is actually the sketch from the Adafruit is a very comprehensive sketch that you can run it straight away using your serial monitor to monitor the output of the sensor by the BMP180. But in this tutorial, I already attached it with the extra features, which is we call it as the LCD 16 by 2. Okay, let me just open the sketch for you so that you can have a look the original sketch gathered from the Adafruits. Okay, you can just go over here and then navigate your cursor into the Adafruit 085 library. So we have this BMP085 test. So this is a standard sketch that are going to be used. Normally, if you are going to use your serial monitor just to check whether your BMP sensor it's reliable and also can be operated or not. Okay, so let me just browse and then give it to you some ideas about this, and then you can just follow whatever details that already being specified here, and then you can just proceed with the upload. However, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to explain my adjusted code where I include the if you can see here, I attach with the liquid crystal underscore I square c dot h. This is a library for I square c, and then specify this I square c, and then proceed with the Adafruit BMP085, and then I attach with the wire.begin. This is for I square c communication, and then proceed with the LCD init, which is the initializations of the LCD based on this library, and then proceed with the serial begin and checking whether our BMP sensor can be used or can be sensing the environment or not, and then proceed with the void loop where I print all the details with regard to the sensor capabilities, which is in this case BMP.read temperature is being called upon, and then the temperature are going to be assigned and then print in the serial monitor together with the LCD. So similarly with the pressure, and then I skip a little bit and then proceed with the altitude over here, and then make some delay around 500 milliseconds. So this is the simplest idea about how you want to interface your BMP085 or BMP180. It is very cheap and affordable sensor meant for measuring temperature, pressure, and also altitude. So it is very interesting project. So let me just proceed with uploading the code inside the Arduino Uno so that we can see what kind of output that already will be going to be delivered by this setup. Go to your board and then choose your Arduino Uno, proceed with your correspond serial communication, and then you can hit the upload button over here. So after you upload, then just wait for a while, and then the initialization are going to be happening over here. So interestingly, I just want to share with you that my code here using the lcd.setCursor using the corresponding row and column. So I already noted here the first number here is actually talking about the column, and then the second number here after the comma over here is actually talking about the row. So let's say this one is a row 1 and also column 1. So this is correspond to the temperature. If you can see here, the temperature in bracket degrees Celsius. So that is only an idea. Okay, so the uploading is being done over here. We just wait for a while, and then until the upload is already completed in our Arduino setup. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, and then there is done uploading, and then the initializations happened, and then you can see the blink just now. So it is actually indicated that our temperature, pressure, and also altitude are already detected by this sensor. So let me just share with you how I can change or increase the level of it. Okay, you see I touch my hand over here, and then it is indicate a high temperature level due to the fact of human body temperature, right? And then we can just open it and then make some sort of reset over here so that it can sensing the environment around us. Okay, that's all for today. So hopefully you learned something about this Arduino Uno project with the BMP180. With that, thank you very much. Please do consider subscribe, like, and share all the videos in this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.